Hello and welcome to day 2 of the distributive property. If you remember from yesterday, the distributive property is where you take the outside number times both numbers on the inside. I always draw those arrows to help my mind keep track of what I am solving. 7 times 50 and 7 times 3. 350 plus 21, 371. If you notice, today in day 2, it says, dun dun dun, with variables. A lot of times 7th graders end up groaning at me on, I just got it figured out with numbers and now you're telling me to add variables. Yes, that is exactly what I'm telling you. Before we do the exact problems on your notes, I wanted to give you just some silly examples. For example, if you are at Chipotle or Bluestone or Qdoba or wherever you like to buy burritos, there is a combo meal that says you could buy a burrito, a drink, and some chips together. But, of course, your brother or sister or cousin or neighbor or whoever you would like to be eating with is with you. So you are going to buy 2 combo meals. So I need to take the burritos and the drinks and the chips times 2. How many are we buying? 2 combo meals. What's included in the combo meal? A burrito, a drink, and some chips. Take everything on the outside times everything on the inside. So in the bag of to-go, I have 2 burritos plus 2 drinks plus 2 chips. Guac is extra. So, a silly example of what the distributive property with variables looks like. Notice I do not put 6. I do not add 2 burritos and 2 drinks and 2 chips together. I do not add all of that together. Those are separate. Because I do not want someone to take my burrito bowl and smush up some chips on it and then pour their drink on it at the end. All of those things don't mix together. Here's another super cute example. This is Tate. He's not a baby anymore. Now he's a big 3-year-old. But he was such a cute baby. Here's what would happen. I would take B times A and B times Y. And now I have the word baby. Look how cute he is. All right, back to the wonderful world of math. On the top of your notes, it says 3 parentheses 2x plus 5. Here's another way to think about this. I have 2 things called x's. And I have 5 things called positives. But much like my Qdoba combo meal, I need 3 of those things. I need 3 of those combinations. So here's 2 x's and 5 positives. I needed 3 of these combinations. Okay, now I have my 3 combinations of 2 x's and 5 positives. Now there is an adding sign, so I'd like to add that all together. 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x, 6x. One positive, 2 positives, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 of the things called positives. I am not going to put 21x. No, 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 no. Just like I do not want people pouring their drink on top of my burrito. We are not mixing those together. We are not mixing variables with regular whole numbers. So I now have a funny looking answer of 2x plus 15. I don't know about you, but I definitely do not want to draw out all those x's and pluses for every problem. Good news, the distributive property has a really nice shortcut for us. Take the number on the outside times both parts of the inside. 3 times 2 with an x. 6x. Regular 3 times regular 5. 15. Wow, that distributive property. Really nice shortcut for us. Also, when you're solving these problems, one way to think about it is these boxes. I need an answer for each box. I do not have just one answer at the end like 7. Nope, I do not. The number on the outside times both numbers on the inside. 4 times 2x, 4 times 3. 4 times 2x, 8x. 4 times 3, 12. This symbol should stay in the middle. Three times x and 3 times 4. Here's a thing that's going to come back every week, every month, every year, probably into college. There's a number in math that hides, and that number is 1. So if you don't see a number in front of x, your job is to write a 1 there. So now it is 3 times 1x. This symbol in the middle stays in the middle. Oh, letter C. Guess I can't do it. Why is that 2 over there at the end? Oh, I think it was a mistake. Commutative property of multiplication says you go ahead and change the order. You go ahead and put that 2 right there in the front. Two times 3x, 2 times 1. 2 times 3x, 6x. 2 times 1, 2. There was a plus sign. You should leave a plus sign. Please pause the video to try some more problems that you see on your paper. Ready, go. I'm going out of order on purpose. Why is this 7 over here at the end? That 7 is playing tricks on us. I know, let's put the 7 in the front. Commutative property says, change the order for multiplication, no big deal. 7 times 2x, 14x. 7 times 5, 35. You don't have to have those boxes that was on the last slide, but if you look about it, I do have 2 answers. Never, ever, never, ever, 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 ever should I try to combine them. No, 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 no. No, please do not pour a drink on my burrito. Those are not the same. We will not be combining them. The ones that have a subtraction sign and a negative sign. So much carefulness is needed. So much carefulness is needed. A subtraction sign and a negative sign in the same problem. Maybe some of you are already thinking what I'm about to say. A subtraction sign and a negative sign in the same problem. Negative 5 times 4x, negative 5 times 3. A positive and a negative is a negative. A negative and a positive is a negative. Bring down the symbol. A subtraction and a negative in the same problem. A subtraction and a negative in the same problem. One of those chapter 1 rules is here in chapter 2. I can't not eat supper today. What does that really mean? I can eat supper today. Minus a negative 15. What does that really mean? Big plus 15. Please do not try to combine them. I would not appreciate it if you tried to combine my drink with my burrito bowl. Again, there are more on your paper to try. If you need to, pause the video. Letter A. Since there's only one subtraction sign, I don't have to be as careful as before. 2 times 7, 14. 2 times 3d, 6d. Keep the subtraction. Letter B, trying to throw us off with this random 3 with parentheses around it. You don't need the parentheses around it, and if you would rather, put the 3 in the front. 3 times 6m, 3 times 1. 3 times 6m, 3 times 1. This is adding. Leave it adding. Oh no. Oh no. Have you ever read the book Chicka Chicka Boom Boom? Oh no. There is a subtraction and a negative in the same problem. This requires a lot of carefulness. Negative 3 times 5t. Put a tail on your t so you're not confused. Negative 3 times 2. Positive and a negative, negative. Negative and a positive, negative. Keep the subtraction. I can't not go to lunch today really means I can go to lunch today. A minus negative 6 really means big plus 6. I see more examples on my paper. Maybe I need to pause so that I can keep solving. Oh no, I see a subtraction and a negative in the same problem. Oh no, there is no number in front of t. That's right. Those ones are going to start hiding in front of variables. I need to outsmart them and put in my own 1. Oh no, I can't not wear shoes today. Really means I can wear shoes today. Subtracting a negative 7t really means big plus 7t. I put a tail on my t. I do not put a tail on my plus sign. Maybe pause the video if you need more time. Oh no, there's no number in front of m. Those ones are going to start hiding on me. I need to write in my own 1. Negative times a negative is a positive. Please do not try to smush 5m with negative 30. Never, ever, 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 ever. Don't ever pour my drink on my burrito. I will not like that. They do not mix together. Oh no, there's a subtraction and a negative in the same problem. I need to be careful of this. Oh no, there is no number in front of the c. I need to be careful of this. Oh no, there's a subtraction and a negative right next to each other. I need to be careful of this. Oh no, this negative 3 was trying to be a trickster. Tried to hide itself in parentheses at the end. Positive times a negative is a negative. When people tell me they don't need to show their work, I get very confused because I drew arrows, arcs, rainbows. I put in hidden ones that were hiding. I brought down adding and subtracting signs. I wrote a big plus sign. I moved the -3 to the front when it was hiding at the end. There is just no way to do this all in your head. So if that's what you are thinking right now, please think again. Good luck with the distributive property. Adios, amigos.